How to have two Epic Games accounts on PC tutorial. So if you want to have two Epic Games accounts on your PC, then what you need to do is first you just need to simply search for the Epic Games launcher and open up your Epic Games at first. Once you open up your Epic Games, now what you need to do is it's just a simple process. So you just need to simply go with the upper right, which has that profile option. And here you will have a lot of options. So you just need to simply go with the last option, which is sign out. So click on sign out. So once you go with sign out here, you will get this kind of interface from where you can log into your other account. So just enter the email address and the password, or you can also sign in with your Xbox, PlayStation, Nintendo, Steam, Facebook, Google, Apple, or your Lego. So you just need simply go with your credentials and click on sign in. And after that, you'll be signed into your other account, and in this way you will have two Epic Games accounts on your PC. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.